You guys been up all night? You guys like never talk. You never say anything to anybody and you just stare off into the distance in different directions. I'm going somewhere else. You guys are boring.
Oh, hey, there's people down there. Hey, everyone. Did you guys hear about the Detail King sale we're having for Memorial Day? 15% off and free shipping on most Detail King products when you use code USA15 at checkout. Minimum order is only $125. So you guys spread the word around here. I'm gonna go tell everybody else. Memorial Day sale. All weekend long, Monday through Friday, 15% off and free shipping. Wow, I can see the Statue of Liberty from here. She's looking pretty good.